stepping on the rocks, scratched by no man's sharp gravel. Scars on the legs are not treated. There is no choice but to keep going, even though it's really hard to understand. Climb a steep hill with rough, jagged edges. Slipped out of emotion. Bring the emptiness in your heart. Confused what to do. There are no ideas or innovations. Everything feels dark and cramped. The voice of the heart is pounding, pumping to keep going, even though it's hard to do. The will to survive. Keep burning with passion. Just take it day by day. Let the time give results in the future. God never breaks a promise. Sustenance must come unchanged. For those who are looking, not for those who are silent.